The Senate and the House exercise oversight over the executive department. And the President has always respected the powers of Congress. So any investigation, magpa-participate. But I will assure Congress ngayon pa lang na very, very, very productive ang foreign trips ng Pangulo, that it is bearing fruit, and that this build are being fueled, no, by the relationships that are being built by the President. Of course, hindi one-to-one parati ang correspondence ng isang trip, isang funding, isang deal, isang project, di ba? Meron ilang trips na it's more to build the relationship, meron ibang trips na security ang pinag-uusapan. Usually it's a wide range, no? But very efficient ang paggamit ng ating Pangulo sa pondo niya, and very open kami and transparent. So any inquiry by the Senate and House, we will be there. We'll be ready to explain, and I think they will be happy with our report.
Pero sir, ang issue yata is kahit yung mga ibang cabinet officials or even low-ranking officials kasama, even if hindi naman sila supposedly there.
Kasama din yun namang camera crew nyo, di ba? So hindi porke nasa likod ng camera, hindi sila kailangan. So the point is kasi may agreements and the agreements involve discussions with their counterparts. Tapos may international na protocol. So for example, pag sinabing 1+7 or 1+10 yung bilateral meeting, hindi pwedeng sila 1+7, tayo 1+3 lang. No? So hindi lahat ito dinidetermine ng Pilipinas. Determine din to nung kausap natin. Determine din to ng sitwasyon at ng pangangailangan. So kung 3 camera setup ka, tatlo cameraman mo, kahit na isa lang yung reporter. So, depende sa sabihin sa amin ng ibang bansa yon kung ilan camera setup iyon, diba? But as I said, it's a transparency. We have heard the criticism. So, walang masama na i-review namin parate yung mga sumasama at yung ano. But katulad ng business delegation, the bigger the business delegation, the better, and they pay for their own fare. Diba? And the more businesses, Filipinos who invest abroad, and the more that they invest in the Philippines, it's better for us So kasama yan So yung ibang countries, minsan baliktad yung ibang countries, sinasabi pa nila ba't ang konti ng kasama nyo? Magsama pa kayo. So I think the miscommunication is in the idea that this is a junket instead of a working productive trip.